In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sale price to a product on Sellfy. Whether you're gearing up for a holiday promotion or looking to increase sales with a tempting offer, knowing how to effectively use Sellfy's discounts feature can make all the difference. This feature conveniently allows you to set up a public sale without needing any coupon codes, automatically displaying a slashed original price alongside the enticing new sale price on your store page. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to log in to your Sellfy dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and locate Marketing. Click on that, and from there, select Coupons and Discounts. This section is where you'll manage all your promotional activities, and that's exactly where we need to be for setting up a sale price. Now that you've reached the Coupons and Discounts page, it's time to initiate the creation of your new sale. You'll see an Add New Discount button. Click on it, and a pop-up will appear asking for the type of discount you'd like to create. Here, you'll want to select Sale. This choice ensures your pricing strategy will be clearly visible to potential buyers, making your sale as effective as possible in capturing interest. Next up, it's time to configure the details of your sale. Start by giving your sale a descriptive internal name. This name is solely for your reference, so make it specific and clear. Names like Holiday Flash Sale or 30% Off Masterclass can be helpful in keeping things organized. Then, decide on your discount type. You have two options here. Either set a percentage off, such as 20%, or opt for a fixed amount off, like $10. Choose the one that aligns best with your sales goals. Another crucial aspect to define is the active period for your sale. This means setting the start date and end date. It's critical for ensuring that the promotional pricing automatically returns to the original price once the sale period concludes. This feature saves you the hassle of manual updates and helps maintain a sense of urgency around your promotion. After that, determine which products the sale should apply to. You have the flexibility to select all products if you want the sale to cover your entire store. Alternatively, if you're targeting specific offerings, you can manually choose one or multiple products from your list. This step is particularly useful if you have a mix of new and old products and want to boost sales for certain items. Finally, it's time to review all your configured settings. Once satisfied, go ahead and click the Create Discount button. This final step activates your sale, making the promotional pricing visible and effective instantly on the selected dates. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully added a sale price to your product on Sellfy. This can be a fantastic way to drive more sales and keep your business thriving, especially during peak sales periods. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.